Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do an open cup pour on my spinner. I'd rather call it that, I think, than a lazy anybody. So for an open cup pour, you just take a cup, chop off the bottom of it, and then this is actually the top, because the top is then going to sit flush here. This is a 10 by 10 canvas, and I have it on top of a spinner here. On top of that, also I have a shower cap to help keep it clean. And then just sticking the canvas to it, I have some double-sided sticky tape. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to start with a white base. And we're going very warm colors today, okay? So I'm going to set that in there. And if you've never done an open cup pour, there's a few different ways to do it, but they're pretty fun. You're just going to kind of start pouring. I'm doing almost every warm color I have, so that's Inferno Orange, Golden Sun. I'm actually going to use Chocolate Magic for the first time, which is a metallic brown. So I've got quite a few metallics in here. Well, 3, I think. Regular yellow. And you'll see that cup start to move. You'll see the paint come out underneath that white. This is just primary red. This is a new color too, Sharp Cheddar. And I do have sample packs of these colors, you guys. Like the warm colors, autumn colors. I have a new autumn color sample pack. And Cardinal Red, which is a deep red. So we use a bit of that. And then lastly, I have some Razzle Dazzle here, which is a deep magenta. Okay, I'm gonna layer those just a little bit more. I'll go ahead and speed this up. Okay, I think that should be plenty. You may have noticed I kind of moved it around a couple times to get the paint where I want. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute and keep seeping out a bit while I put away all of my bottles, and then we'll go ahead and get to spinning. All right, so one of the things is, what do I do with this? If you just pull this off like this, you're gonna have kind of a circle of paint. So I like to actually pull it off and kind of twist at the same time. Just give a little more interest, and you can go towards your edge. Some people, I think, just run it off the edge, but there you go. And now we spin. That is so cool. All right, that's it, it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit here for a little bit. I'm very pleased with the colors. And then I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here's our close-up. So definitely some cells coming up over here with that gold. And just a ton of really cool lacing. I like this kind of strange strip of cells throughout here with the yellow. It's a very interesting reaction there. So putting that initial white base can help cause a lot of this lacing. Definitely happy that I put that Razzle Dazzle in there. Very cool. All right, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you all next time.